Welcome to the screencast walkthrough of P2Pedia. P2Pedia is a distributed wiki system implemented using the universal peer-to-peer file sharing framework developed at Carleton University. This video is intended to serve as a getting started walkthrough for new users, as well as an introduction to the principles behind P2Pedia. Unlike traditional centralized wiki systems, P2Pedia is a distributed system. This means that rather than having all users communicate with a central wiki server, each user hosts a fully functional wiki system with their own collection of articles. With this in mind, let's proceed into the walkthrough. This is a P2Pedia home screen, which will appear when you first access the system. The home screen can always be reached by clicking the Home tab or clicking on the P2Pedia logo in the top left. The home screen contains instructions and extensive help for P2Pedia, as well as some quick links to help you get started. Let's view some of our wiki articles. In P2Pedia, articles can only be viewed once they've been downloaded to your local repository. View your local articles by navigating to the Local Resources tab at the top of the screen. This page is a listing of all wiki articles that currently exist on your local P2Pedia node. The list can be viewed as a table sorted by creation time or by using the version tree browser. Article versioning and the version browser will be discussed further when we discuss editing articles. To view an article, click on the article title in either view. To create an article in P2Pedia, navigate to the Create tab at the top of the screen. This will launch the Article Creation Wiki Text Editor. You'll need to provide a title for your article and some content to display when the article is viewed. P2Pedia provides automated tools for all supported wiki text, and a full listing of all supported syntax is displayed on the P2Pedia homepage. For now, let's try adding a heading, some bold text, and an image link to our article. You can preview your article without publishing your changes by clicking the Preview Article button at the bottom of the interface. To publish your article, click the Finalize Article button in either the Preview panel or the Create panel. Your article will be created on your local node, and you will be redirected to the article viewing page. To edit an article, navigate to the viewing page for the article you wish to edit, and click the Edit tab at the top of the interface. This will display a creation widget very similar to the Create page, except that you can provide an optional summary of your edits. Let's try removing the bolded text from our article and replacing it with italic text. Your article can still be previewed as usual, and will be published to your local repository when Finalize Article is clicked. In P2Pedia, editing an article does not delete the original article, but rather creates a brand new article with a parent relationship to the original. This can be more easily seen in the Resource Version Tree browser. To track the changes made to a certain article, go to the article's viewing page and navigate to the Advanced tab. A drop-down selection box of all locally available ancestors will be provided. Upon selecting one of these ancestors and clicking View Changes, a color difference visualization will be generated. Text that was newly added in the edited article will be displayed as green, whereas text that was deleted from the edited article will be displayed in red. The real strength of P2Pedia comes from being able to search for and download articles from other peers on the network. To do this, navigate to the Search tab at the top of the screen. From this page, you can specify search terms that should appear in the article title or content, as well as the extent of your search. A Search for All Articles button is also provided. The default view for search results is a version tree browser. If an article is available locally, its title will be a link to its viewing page. If not, a download button will be provided. The author and edit summary for each article is shown, as well as a number of sources. A similarity rating is also provided, which is based on the similarity between the articles you host and those hosted by the responding peers. Click on the Sources link to view which peers are offering which articles. For articles with many revisions, it may not be feasible to display the entire version tree at once. For this reason, a slider is provided at the top of the interface, which allows you to select a slice of the version tree to display. You can also hide entire branches by clicking the Hide buttons, or you can highlight entire branches by double-clicking on the article listing. These changes will be displayed regardless of what slice of the tree is currently being displayed. Alternatively, search results can be viewed on a per-peer basis. To do this, click on the Filter by Peer option at the top of the interface. By default, all articles are displayed in this view, but by clicking on the peer table, you can filter the results based on the peers that are offering them. To view an article, you must download it and view it locally. Hosting an article in P2Pedia is equivalent to endorsing its content, so you'll want to be sure to delete low-quality articles. To do this, use the Delete button at the top right of the page, or use the batch delete checkboxes in the local repository view. This concludes the video walkthrough of P2Pedia. P2Pedia and Universal Peer-to-Peer are free and open source software, and we encourage you to visit our website, try out our live demo, and maybe even host your own node. Thank you for your time.